Torque-to-yield bolts are fasteners that stretch permanently during installation. You can never safely reuse them and must always install brand new bolts to prevent catastrophic engine failure. Traditional bolts act like springs that return to their original shape when loosened. Torque-to-yield fasteners are designed differently. You tighten them to a specific torque value, then turn them an exact number of extra degrees. This extra rotation pushes the metal past its elastic limit, causing a permanent stretch. This intentional stretching provides a much more consistent clamping force. Aluminum engine blocks expand heavily under high heat. A stretched fastener maintains perfect tension as the metal changes shape, keeping the engine sealed perfectly and eliminating blown head gaskets. If you attempt to reuse one of these fasteners, the metal has already exhausted its stretching capability. The bolt is now physically longer and significantly weaker. Applying the required torque to a used bolt will cause it to snap inside the block or fail to hold clamping pressure. Identifying these fasteners is straightforward using a factory service manual. If the tightening sequence requires a base torque specification followed by an additional angle measurement, it is a torque-to-yield fastener. Discard the old hardware and use high-quality replacements to ensure your rebuild lasts.